Hello viewers. During Flipkart Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale and during Diwali sale, many users bought various tablets with great offers and cashback. But unfortunately, some of the users who bought tab S9 AP Plus from Flipkart did not receive their product as the seller cancelled their delivery after about 10 to 15 days. Those users are asking me what they should do. They should buy their favorite tablet at a higher cost, or they should wait for another sale before the end of this year. This is a very bad habit of Flipkart. Though Flipkart is not directly responsible for the cancellation of delivery, but they cannot shred the responsibility from their shoulder as the seller is selling this product under their site, that is flipkart.com. So they should take the responsibility and do something so that the customers can get their tablets in time without cancellation. There are other processes to fight against these scams. Actually, you can go to consumer court, but that will be very lengthy process. So a lot of users don't actually want to waste their time in such matters. So they leave the matter, and as a result of which the fake sellers don't get any punishment from anybody. I think this is a kind of deliberate cancellation and this need to be stopped. The competent authority of the government should take action against these fraud sellers who are selling products but they are not delivering the products. Now the question arrives, if the user should wait for another sale before this year end. Definitely, you will get a sale on various products including tablets. So if you can wait for the right offers, you can buy your desired tablet at an enticing price. And many users are actually asking me what will be the price of Tab S9 FE Plus during the next sale. So I think the price will be around 24 to 25,000, and if you have urgent need of this tablet, you can buy it around 24 to 25,000 rupees. However, the price may also come down close to 22,000, but the possibility is very less. Whenever there will be any news of sale of tablets, I will let you know through my video. So if you are interested to know about the best offers on tablets and smartphones, you can subscribe to the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any deal. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.